Welcome back to the chapter Heights and Distances for standard 10. So the question is, the shadow of a vertical tower on level ground increases by 10 meters when the altitude of the sun changes from the angle of elevation 45 degrees to 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower. So let this be the height of the let this be the tower. So A, B. So the shadow falls here. So the shadow increases by 10 meters when the altitude of the sun changes from the angle of elevation 45 to 30. So here first the shadow is still here. So the angle is 45 degrees. Now the length of the shadow increases. Now the shadow is at this point till here. So this is 10 meters. So now the angle of elevation so this is 30 degrees. So A, B, C and D. So first shadow AC increases by 10 meters. So the length, so now AD is the length of the shadow. Find the height of the tower. So again we have to find, now this is given. So let us take this as x and this as h. So in triangle BAC, tan 45 is equal to opposite side by adjacent side h by x. So 1 is equal to h by x. So from this you will get h is equal to x. So this is equation 1. So in triangle BAD, in this triangle tan 30 is equal to h by 10 plus x. So tan 30 will be equal to 1 by root 3 is equal to h by 10 plus x. I will substitute h as x. So this will become 10 plus x is equal to h root 3. 10 plus x is equal to x root 3. So x into root 3 minus 1 is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10 by 1.732 minus 1 will become 0.732. So if you do the calculation, you will get 13.66. 66 meters. So now we have to find the height of the tower. So now h is equal to x implies h is equal to 13.66 meters. Height of tower is equal to 13.66 meters. From the top of a building 60 meter high. So let us first draw the building. So this is the building 60 meter high. So let this be A, B, This is the ground. The angle of depression of the top and the bottom of a tower are observed to be 30 and 60. So, you are observing it from the top of the building. So, AB is the building, that is 60 meters. So, angle of depression of the top and bottom of a tower. So, let this be the tower. So, from here the top is 30 degrees. So, this is 30 degrees, and at the bottom, so you are observing from the point B to the top and bottom of the tower, and this will be 60 degrees. So, this is 60 degrees. So, when you take this as 30, so we will draw one horizontal line like this. So, then only we can say this is 30. So, this will become 30 and this is 60. So, this will become 60 degrees, alternate angles. So, A, B, C, D, and C, D is the tower. Now, we have to find the height of the tower. So, C, D is what we have to find. So, let us take this as A, B, C, T. Let us take this point as E. So, let AE is equal to H. Therefore, BE is equal to 60 minus H. So, CD will be equal to, if we get AE, then we get the height of the tower. So, CD is equal to AE. Now, in triangle BDE, so we have taken A, this is H and this is 60 minus H. So, in BDE, this is 30. So, we will take tan 30. Tan 30 is equal to BE by DE. So, tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to BE 60 minus H by DE. So, this is therefore, DE is equal to root 3 into 60 minus H. So, this is equation 1. Now, we will consider triangle BCA. Triangle BCA, again tan 60 is equal to AB by AC. So, tan 60 is root 3 is equal to AB is 60 we know by AC. AC and DE are same by AC. So, we will put this as X. So, this is equal to 60 minus H by X. So, this is X. So, AC we will put it as 60 by X. So, X is equal to 60 by root 3. So, this is equation 2. Now, equating these two, you get root 3 into 60 minus h is equal to 60 by root 3. So, cross multiplying, or we will bring this down. So, 60 minus h is equal to 60 by 3, that is equal to 20. So, h is equal to 60 minus 20 is 40. So, h is equal to 40 meters. The angle of elevation of the top Q of a vertical tower PQ. So, from a point, so let this be the tower on the top Q of the vertical. So, this point is Q, tower PQ. From a point X on the ground, the angle of elevation around is 60 degrees. At a point Y, 40 meters vertically above from a point X on the ground. So, vertically above. So, here at this point, so at a point, this point is Y and this is 40 meters. The angle of elevation is 45 degrees of the. So, we will draw one line parallel to the base. So, this angle is 45 degrees. Find the height of the tower PQ and the distance QX. Okay. So, let this point be PQXY, it is PQR. So, yes, find the height of PQ. So, let us take. So, now this will be 40, PQ will, this is XY is 40, therefore, PR is equal to 40, XY is equal to 40, therefore, PR is also equal to 40 meters. So, let this point be X, let QR is equal to X meters. So, in triangle QRY, opposite side by adjacent side. So, tan 45 is equal to QR by YR. So, that is 1 is equal to X by YR. So, YR is equal to X. And now, in triangle QPX or triangle XPQ, tan 60 is equal to again PQ by PX. So, tan 60 is root 3, this PQ will be X plus 40 by PX. So, PX and YR are same. So, PX is equal to X plus 40 by root 3. YR is equal to PX, therefore, X is equal to X plus 40 by root 3. So root 3x, root 3x equal to, okay, x plus 40. So x into root 3 minus 1 equal to 40. So x is equal to 40 by root 3 minus 1. So root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1, sorry, plus 1. So this will become root 1.73, 2.732, 2.73 into 40 by 3 minus 1 is 2. So you get 20. So x is equal to 6. So it is 54.6. So therefore we have to find the height of the tower. Therefore PQ is equal to x plus 40. So that is equal to 54, so that is 94.6 meters. Now we have to find the distance qx. So for that you can do sin 60 is equal to PQ by qx. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 is equal to PQ is 94.6 by qx is what we have to find. So simplifying, you will get qx is equal to 109.3 meters.